Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies are one of my favorite insects. What about you? What is one of your favorites? Okay, let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to read and I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Okay, share. Okay, here we go. The butterfly life cycle. What do you notice in this picture? What do you notice? What do you see? Take a few seconds and tell someone around you what you see in this picture. I see the pretty colors on the butterfly. I know that this kind of butterfly is a monarch butterfly. It's a very pretty butterfly. Let's think about the words that we need to know during this story. Butterfly, life cycle, mate, pupa. Say that word again, I like that word. Pupa, scales, stages. The butterfly life cycle. Let's look at this question, and I want you to be able to answer this question by the time I'm done reading. What is the life cycle of a monarch butterfly? Let's see if you can remember. Okay, let's pay close attention. Ooh, remember what this is called? This is called the table of contents. This is called the table of contents. Ooh, let's look at the life cycle. Life cycle of a butterfly. Ooh, first it is a caterpillar. Then it's a pupa, that fun word. What is that? It's pupa. And then adult butterfly. And then if we keep going, it's an egg. It starts as an egg, caterpillar, pupa, adult butterfly. What's this word again? Pupa. A monarch butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle. They are egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. Let's learn about the egg part of the butterfly cycle. A female monarch butterfly lays an egg on the bottom of a leaf. She might lay several hundred eggs in her lifetime. The eggs are oval-shaped. A caterpillar grows inside the tiny egg. The egg hatches in 3 to 12 days. 3 to 12 days, that's a very short time. The hungry caterpillar eats all the time. It needs a lot of food to grow. First, the caterpillar eats its own eggshell. Then the caterpillar eats the leaf it is on. So it just begins eat as soon as it pops out of its eggshell. Let's look at this. Look at it. It's eating its egg as soon as it hatches from that egg. And then it's going to eat this leaf. Ooh, look at the caterpillar growing. Ooh, and remember this is called a caption. This is called a caption. The caterpillar grows quickly, but its skin does not grow. The caterpillar's old skin splits and peels away. The caterpillar will shed the old skin many times in this stage. New skin is under the old skin. It is soft at first, but soon hardens. The caterpillar sheds its skin 4 to 6 times and eats the old skin each time. The caterpillar grows for 2 to 4 weeks. So I know to be a good reader, I'm going to read this first, and then I'm going to look at the picture, and I'm going to read the caption. Notice in the picture that this caterpillar is a lot bigger than this caterpillar. It's growing so quickly. Let's read the caption. The caterpillar's bright black and yellow colors warn animals that they will get sick if they eat it. Oftentimes, if we read the caption, it gives us more information about what we're reading about. Ooh, let's look at this. Do you know, monarch caterpillars only eat the leaves of the milkweed plant. They only eat the leaves of the milkweed plant. This is the milkweed plant. Now let's look at the pupa. stage of the butterfly cycle. When the caterpillar is grown, it hangs from a branch to prepare for the next stage. It sheds its skin one last time. The new skin is bright green and looks like a leaf. I'm going to ask myself a question. Why do you think that it looks like a leaf? Why do you think it looks like a leaf? Why might that be important when the butterfly is in this stage of the life cycle? I'm going to think about that while I read. This green skin hardens around the caterpillar. It will protect it from other animals as it changes inside. Ooh, so why does it look like a leaf? Let's go back to that sentence and read that one more time. It will protect it from other animals as it changes inside. Ooh, so if it looks like a leaf, other animals can't tell what it is, and it'll protect it. What will it do? It will protect it. It will stay inside its shell for 1 to 2 weeks. During this time, big changes happen to its body. So let's go back and let's look at this caption. The green color helps the caterpillar hide from other animals. Ooh, so that really puts it inside our brain. That green color is going to help it hide. It's going to help it hide. Adult butterfly. Ooh. An adult butterfly comes out of the shell. Its wet wings are folded against the body. So let's look at this picture. Ooh, notice how it's coming out of the shell. It is beautiful. And its wings are wet, and so they're close to its body. The butterfly breathes in air to make its body bigger. Then the shell splits so the butterfly can climb out. Look at that shell splitting. The big, beautiful butterfly comes out. The new butterfly rests. The butterfly must hang upside down or will not be able to fly. Blood pumping into the wings causes them to unfold and spread out. Let's think about that. What happens to your head if you hang upside down or you're in a handstand? What happens to your head? You start to feel pressure in your head, right? So the same thing happens to a butterfly when it hangs upside down. When it hangs upside down, all of that blood rushes to its wings and gives it energy so it can fly. The butterfly hangs for several hours. The sun and air dry its delicate wings. Let's look at this word delicate. What do you think delicate means? Go ahead and tell someone around you what you think delicate means. Delicate. If you said that you mean delicate means easy to break, you're correct. Or soft. So those wings can be crushed very easily. They can be broken very easily. A butterfly has 2 pairs of wings. They are covered in scales. Ooh, think about a snake. A snake also has scales. What does that look like? The wings in the front often have a different pattern from the pair in the back. The colors on the wings are usually similar to each other. Once the butterfly is able to fly, it flies off to eat. Unlike a caterpillar, a butterfly does not eat leaves. Oh, so how is that different from the caterpillar? Instead, it sips sweet liquid from flowers. It also searches for a mate. Adult butterflies do not grow. They save their energy for flying and laying eggs. Females are bigger than males. A monarch butterfly may only live for 2 to 6 weeks. So how is that different from the caterpillar stage? How is that different? Is that longer or is that shorter than the caterpillar stage? After she finds a mate, the female monarch lays her eggs. The butterfly life cycle starts all over again. What is one thing you learned from reading about a butterfly life cycle? I want to know. And also, here's the big question. Here's what I really want to know. How is a butterfly different from the caterpillar? How is the butterfly different from the caterpillar? So let's take a minute and let's go back and look at all of those pictures of a caterpillar. Here it is in the caterpillar. Think about things we read about. The caterpillar grows quickly, but its skin does not grow. We know that it eats and eats and eats and eats a lot. And the caterpillar grows for 2 to 4 weeks. Now let's go back and let's look at the butterfly. So an adult butterfly comes out of its shell. Its wet wings are folded against its body. So how is that different from the caterpillar? The new butterfly rests. How is that different from the caterpillar? And, the butterfly is able to fly, and it does fly off to eat, but a butterfly does not eat leaves. So how is that different from the caterpillar? So I want you to answer the question, how is a butterfly different from a caterpillar? I want you to draw a picture about it, and I want you to write a sentence, and I want you to tell me how it is different. Let's look back at these pictures one more time. Okay, I can't wait to see your work, and I look forward to seeing it. Stop share. I know you guys will give me incredible pictures and incredible sentences. Okay, I will see you guys Monday.